Hello everyone, welcome along to a rather rainy Halloween car boot sale flea market report. It wasn't very spooky out there today. Has it gone yet? Oh, thank goodness for that. Anyway, I say it wasn't very... No, we won't say that again. It was raining, there was quite a few vendors there, but they soon started packing up when it started raining. It wasn't really supposed to rain as much as it is this morning, so as you can see, it only got me a few bits and pieces. So let me bring the camera down here and we'll take a look. Total spend today was £3.50. Let's start with this little fellow right here. Okay, so what do we have here exactly? Well, as some of the younger viewers out there might know, this is from Minecraft. It's not anything I know about, but my son does like a bit of Minecraft, and so I picked this up and I thought, oh, what's that? So they told me what it is. It's the pickaxe and sword. Mind your fingers. 2-in-1 Minecraft toilet. So we've got the sword there, as I say. And I say, if you're not careful, you can actually, if you hold it like this, you can actually trap your fingers in there. So you've got to keep your fingers out of it. But yeah, I thought my son might like that. Okay, so this was the second tool I bought of the day. And I think you can understand why I purchased it, because I love these footprint wrench copies. This is another Polish manufactured thing. It's got its original pivot pin. I've noticed these Polish ones very often have all the equipment with them as well, the Polish and Czechoslovakian ones, so I guess those guys over there must look after them a bit better. This has still got the original, I don't know whether that's the company that supplied it or the original company logo on there. As you can see, this one's going a little bit rusty. What size is this one exactly? Let's have a look. Yep, this is a 12-incher. This one cost me 50p, which I thought was quite good for such a large tool. But the reason why I wanted it is because I'm getting quite a collection of them now. This is the smallest one I have. Thank you very much to Nick H for sending this one in. It's got the same label on it, as you can see there, look. I believe this is the first one I picked up. And that's got the same label on it too, so it must be the manufacturer's label, I reckon. I think this is 9-inch. This is a 9-inch. Can't remember what size that is, probably 7-inch maybe. And I've also got this one here, which I found at the car boot sale. I mean, the paintwork's not in the best of condition on that one. But yeah, I like these. I'm also a big fan of the Czechoslovakian made copies too. I've got several different sizes here. I can't remember what size that is, maybe 8 inches. I've also got a black one. This one turned up this year. I've not seen a black one before. They're usually in this nice blue. So to find a black one was quite good, I thought. This one is more or less the same size as the Polish one I picked up today. Anyway, let's take a look at today's Star Buy and the first tool I picked up today. Just look at this little beaut, guys. What do you think of that? This little fellow cost me £2 actually, and I was quite happy to pay that because these are quite nice. What do we have here then? We have, what does it say here? Utica Forged Tools Corp. 511, so the Utica 5116s, Utica, New York, USA. Look at these little beauties, aren't they nice? They have buttons style cutters in there, as you can see. Look, set at an angle there. I don't think they've been used all that much. Jaws look nice. They run very nice too. Nice and smooth. They're just a bit grubby in there, as you can see. I think what I'll have to do is I'll try and get them apart, put them in the ultrasonic cleaning tank at work and clean them up. But look at the handles, look. Really nicely made. I tried looking on Alloy Artifacts for the pliers, but the set I came up with I think looks a bit different from these little fellows here. The catalogue from the Utica, what's the year? I'll put the year up here. It has these as heavy duty slip joint pliers. You can see why too, can't you? Look at that. Aren't they a lovely pair of pliers? I like those a lot actually. Because this year's been the slip joint pliers year. I saw these lying on the guy's table. He had a whole load of them set out, a whole load of tools set out. And I saw these and I thought, whoa. So I reached across one guy and grabbed them before he did. I thought, yeah, I know what they are. Very nice indeed. I mean, they really are quite heavy duty, very heavy in weight as well. Very well made, 6-inch long, I believe. But aren't they lovely? I do like those. Didn't get many tools, but this has got to be, well, it is. It's my star buy. This has got to be my favourite tool of the day, really. What do you guys think of those? Yeah, so not much in the line of tools today. Quite happy with these. These are my absolute favourite of the day. That's for my son, and I hope he likes it. But I definitely like my tools today. Very quiet day, but other than that, I've got some nice tools, which I'm quite happy with. Especially the Utica, they are definitely my favourite. You'll have to let me know, guys, which is your favourite of this lot here. I'm going to say it's most probably likely to be these little fellows right here, because they're my favourites. They are in really good condition too, by the looks of it. So got a little bit of a ding on it just there, but other than that, give them a bit of a clean up. They're a bit slightly oily and grubby. Shame I haven't got more tools for you to look at today, but as you can hear, it's still raining. Not good at all. I'll be heading off to the car boot sale in a couple of weeks' time. Hopefully the weather will be better and not like this at all. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed hopping over to Rathbow Manor, taking a look at these fellas here. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe. Please, thank you very much. Click a like if you enjoyed the content. Share the video with your friends. You can also find me on Instagram too. This lot should be on Instagram sometime today. And that's just about it then, guys. So hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you another week. See you later.